Modern fiberglass boat manufacturing has shifted from messy, manual labor to a high-tech, inside-out process defined by precision and chemistry. While early vessels, like the classic Grampian, were overbuilt with thick, heavy hulls to compensate for unknown material limits, today's boats are remarkably thin. They rely on advanced geometry and composite cores for strength rather than sheer mass. What do old sailors like me say about these new fiberglass boats? I'll tell you in 10 seconds.
Hi, it's Alan, and I sure hope you're enjoying our latest video. If you are, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We really need your support, and it doesn't cost you anything.
Most modern builders now use vacuum infusion, a closed mold technique that is cleaner and more efficient than traditional handling. The process begins with Gelcoat, where a thin layer is sprayed into a female mold to create the boat's shiny outer skin. Next comes the dry layup. Instead of immediately soaking mats in resin, workers lay dry layers of fiberglass, carbon fiber, or Kevlar. The entire mold is then sealed under a heavy plastic bag, and a vacuum pump removes all air, crushing the fabric tightly against the mold. Under this pressure, liquid resin is pulled through the fibers, ensuring a perfect resin-to-fiber ratio. This eliminates air bubbles and excess weight that can make a hull brittle. So, how thin is thin? It is often a shock to owners just how thin a modern hull is. In many high-end boats, the hull sides are only 4 mm to 8 mm thick, roughly the thickness of a standard pencil or a few credit cards, or get this, a USB plug. However, this thinness is deceptive. Manufacturers use sandwich construction, bonding two thin fiberglass skins to a core of high-density PVC foam or honeycomb. This creates a structural I-beam effect. The core provides stiffness, while the skins handle tension and compression. While the hull's bottom is thickened to 12 mm or more to handle wave impacts, the sides remain thin to keep the boat light and fuel efficient. Modern boats aren't flimsy. They are engineered to flex and absorb energy. So, what do old-school sailors like me mockingly calling these modern marvels? Tupperware boats. In fact, they represent the pinnacle of marine engineering. Fair winds, my friends.